In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new blog post in WordPress. Once you are logged in to your WordPress dashboard, then the easiest way to create a draft post, if you just want to jot down a quick idea that you have, is to use the quick press function. Just enter the title of your blog post here and some content, enter a tag, and then you can click on Save Draft, or you can publish the post directly. The other way to create a blog post is to expand the post menu here and then click on Add New. This is the default publishing interface for blog posts in WordPress. And you have two options. You can either maintain the graphic editor as it is over here, or you can go to full screen mode. To go to full screen mode, just click on toggle full screen mode. And now, as you can see, we are in full screen mode. So the full screen mode is for serious writing, as it eliminates all the distraction and all the background graphics, etc. However, when you put your mouse over on top here, you would see the menu appear for the controls that allow you to format your blog post. I'm going to click on exit full screen and just show you the normal way of adding a new blog post. So the first thing you want to do is give your blog post a title and then enter some content. And if you notice here, there are two modes you can use. The default is the visual mode, and if you are not familiar with HTML or programming, I would recommend that you stick to the default mode. The default mode allows you to use WordPress the same way you would use Microsoft Word or any word publishing software. It is a WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, editor. So just highlight the content and then you can bold the content, italize it. You can even change the color of the text and do some very basic formatting. If you want to paste over content from Microsoft Word, however, then you have to click on this icon, Paste from Word, and that will bring up a screen where you can paste the entire contents of your Microsoft Word blog post. The reason we do this is because when you have to type in a content in Microsoft Word will add in some additional characters that do not display well in a web-based version like WordPress. So you have to use this paste from Word feature to remove those unnecessary characters or incompatible tags. When you're done with your blog post, you can save a draft. However, as you would also notice that WordPress will automatically save a draft for you every few seconds. If you want to preview how your blog post looks like before publishing it, then you can click on Preview. And you can see exactly how your blog post is going to look like in the current WordPress theme that you are using. When you are satisfied, then just click on Publish. Now your blog post has been published. There are several other tiny but useful features that we can address here. The first is that you can actually click and drag the text editing area so that you can see more of the content itself. And the second is categories. So by default, any blog post that you publish will be put into the uncategorized category. However, you can of course assign it to a single category or multiple categories, and you can also click on Add New Category to add a new category over here, and you can make it a top level category, or you can make it a child category under an existing category, and then click on Add New Category. And here you can see my new category has been added. And you can also put in post tags. Tags are basically keywords that describe this particular blog post. and then you can set a featured image. A featured image is very useful in some WordPress themes that will actually display the featured image next to the excerpt of your blog post in the home page. So when you click on set featured image, you can select a file from your computer or from an external URL, or you can also select files or images in your media library that you have previously uploaded to your WordPress blog. And once you're done, you can just click on update to update the entire blog post. And that's how easy it is to create a new blog post in WordPress.